National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Frederick County in north central Maryland, eastern Washington County in north central Maryland, northwestern Carroll County in north central Maryland until 10:45 p.m. At 9:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected 6 miles southwest of Braddock Heights, or 10 miles northeast of Nearsville, and was moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of $half and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Frederick, Wolfsville, Thurmont, Emmitsburg. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm